Good day, good day, good day, good day. How are you? I hope you're doing great. Guess what? It's Friday. It's Friday. I hope everyone is doing good, guys. I hope you're feeling good and you're ready to learn. You're ready to learn. We're ready for the market. It's Friday, but remember, on Friday we don't really go greedy, or we don't really push much on the market because it's Friday. So we don't really want the market to hold us. So we just go slow. But if maybe there's any opportunity, we're still going to take it. You see. So before I continue, guys, I think this month I never had any special. And I have so many people who say they want to join, but they can't afford whatever that I'm charging, which is $200. So I will just do an exception for now. Actually, today is the 20th of May, so I will just make a special for $100 until month end. Yeah, until month end. So this includes VIP signals and also the mentorship. So it's your time to learn. So that $100, you have like almost 10 days, by the way, to join. So yeah, after that we go back on $200. This year we don't really have to do any special because the information that we share, guys, is gonna change the way you see the market. That's why I'm charging whatever that I'm charging. So yeah, here this is the price. There is my contact. Then from there we can say it's $100. Just check my contacts then, but remember it's $100 until month end. It's going to be $100 until month end. It's like this: $100 VIP signals plus mentorship. So let's go straight on this. Actually, it's a Bitcoin. Actually, I wasn't feeling well. Even today, I'm much better, but I wasn't feeling well. I think maybe, I don't know. It's getting cold, so the change of seasons. So maybe the flu or something. So, but I wasn't feeling good. So here it's Bitcoin. So here is Bitcoin. What do you see is, firstly, we have to identify the trend, which means we already understand that, oh, the market is under what? Bearish move or bearish momentum, which means we should look for these areas where we can able to sell this thing. You see, yes, the market seems like it's no longer wants to push lower. It seems like maybe the market wants to push the upside, but we'll go full on that buy or bullish move when we say if the market is going to break this outer resistance. It's where we can say now we're ready to do what? We're ready to buy. But currently, but the market is still struggling around this area, which means there is a chance that the market can still push the lower side, or maybe another chance to do what? For the market to push up, and maybe it can also still respect that area, and we can see the market going lower. Yes, there is a chance for the market to do what? To break that area and to push the upside. So it means you can see that actually the market around this area is actually consolidating. Why? Because these things, they are oversold, guys. But that doesn't mean that the market won't keep going lower. Yes, the market might keep going lower, but just know that around this zone, around where the market is now, it's some way too good opportunities for people to buy actually, because this is the lowest low. These are the lows that we ever seen in some for some time. You see, I think the market reached that area actually last year around, maybe let's say around May. Let's see, yeah, around May, yeah, let's say May. So that is a full year actually. So which means, yes, there is a chance that the market might push up. And you know how this thing moves, guys. You know how this Bitcoins moves. So you just have to familiarize, get to know these things, because these are the future. Don't just go slow with this crypto thing, because one day we're going to change and focus on that. Just imagine if the government say, now we need to use crypto currencies, stable coins or whatever, then that is going to push actually Bitcoin to the upside. But the thing is, we're talking about it every day here. You can take your shot, you see. So now we are on German 40, by the way, DAX. So what's really happening is, it seems like the market is tired, guys, of going down. I can see the market, yes, the market pushed lower, but you see that the market did not go that low, that low. So which means maybe the market is starting to feel the pressure to the upside. So, but what we can do is, let's wait for the market to break this resistance of ours here. That it seems to be our wall, that we treat that as a fence or a wall. So if the market is going to break that, what are we going to do? Obviously, we're going to think twice and say, oh, maybe once we see that breakout, we can have something like this going higher like that. But we just have to wait for the market to give us that clue, because we don't really have to just guess things. The market will do that for us, then we can then act after. But what I love is, already the market is around this resistance, so which means there is a chance that the market might push lower, or maybe we might see a breakout. Simple as that. Don't try to complicate things. Don't try to complicate things. So guess what? We are on gold. We are on gold. So gold, it was also pushing up yesterday. Actually, the market was trying to recover yesterday. Also, US30, NASDAQ, they all pushed the upside. But we were not going to act on that when the market is still doing what? Is still on a downtrend. Because if we look back, you can see around these areas, the market tried to push the upside. So even this area is not like different. So the market pushed up. Just imagine when you say you want to buy or do something there, when the market comes back, it's going to just smash you. Unless if maybe you just scalping, you see. So for us to be safe, we just continue what? The trend. Trend is our friend. And just imagine from this, like maybe 18th of last month, or maybe before that. Let me just check that before. Yeah, of April up to today, the market was just going down. So it means most likely when you follow the trend, it means for you just to take those sales only, you were just going to get some very nice profits, you see. But now, what we see now is the market just broke out of that resistance, and I see a very nice retest. I think this is a very nice retest. I think the market might push to the upside. Do you see that? I hope you see that. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way. Do you see that area there? It seems to be a very nice resistance, and I like this retest here. Then maybe the market will push the upside. But still, anything's possible. This thing might also come back. But currently the market just broke out, which means we're going to look for what? For buy positions going to the upside. Simple as that, you see. So don't forget that I said we have a special. Now we are on USOIL. We have a special for $100. We have a special for $100 VIP signals, and also mentorship for yearly. It's yearly, like 12 months, right? So now we are on USOIL. What's really happening on USOIL? We can actually update whatever that we have here, but no, I think still fine. So what we have here is we have a very nice straightforward uptrend, right? Do you see that? So this uptrend, the market was respecting this area, pushing to the upside. On top here, we don't really care much, but that is there just to show us where maybe we can find the resistance. But since we're not going to sell, we're not going to use that to sell. But we see that that area, it was broken, and the market came and respect that area. After that, the market came back again, and we see that the market is pushing up again, and it's respecting that. So which shows that shows us that we are not actually on a stable market. The market was going up, few minutes later the market is going down. When you think maybe the market will going lower, then the market is going up. So it's easier for us just to lose when we trade this thing. But the best thing that we can do is better for us just to focus on a strategy or on the structure. So since this is an uptrend, it means we can't do anything around that area. So what we're going to do is, when the market maybe goes lower, you can see around this area, the market touched that. So there is a chance that the market might come here again and do what? We can keep buying if maybe the market wants to do that. Or maybe we can say around that it's a resistance. If the market is going to push up, we can say yes, we can keep buying if the market will do that. But if the market doesn't, we have to relax. You just have to relax. Guess what? We are on US30. So what's really happening on US30? Let me just remove that. Yes, we are on US30 and we are on a downtrend, you see. So we're going to say maybe the market is changing that when the market is breaking this area. That makes us to get this thing easier. So we're not going to chase this bullish move if it's going to push the upside, because whatever that's happened there, it's quite similar to here when the market acts like it's it's recovering from that bearish move. But guess what? Most likely, when the market does that, we know that maybe a sell might or a downtrend might follow. Sorry, a bearish move might follow. But yes, this thing's been selling. This might be a good opportunity for us to have some nice buys, but not everywhere. Not here where we are now. Even around this area, guys. Even, let me just stretch this. Even around this area, it's still a very nice area to buy, you see. Even here, it's still a nice area to buy, but don't just jump just because you don't want to miss out. So we will see that nicely when the market breaks here. Then we can say, okay, maybe it's time for us to do what? To buy. But there is a chance that the market might come around this area and respect that again and keep pushing lower. Why? Because we saw that happened several times. The market did that for some time now. You can see, let me try to zoom this. You can see this thing has been going down for some time. You see, this thing has been like seriously going down. So I hope you see that. But it's not similar to what we saw, what we have on NASDAQ. So this one is much better. It's way much better. So on NASDAQ, what can we get here? So on NASDAQ, it's also quite similar to what we saw on US30, but here the sell-off was seriously strong, and now we can see that, okay, the market just touched our support area and now it's pushing to the upside. So if you have the rules, you're not going to panic or jump and think maybe you're missing out. Nope, you're not going to do that. Why? Because you understand the market structure. So when you see something happening like this, just because some people they just buy just because it's on the support we're supposed to buy, nope, sometimes the market doesn't really work like that, you see. So we had this type of areas even before. You can see around this area we also had something like that. I'm just trying to show you what happened actually. So that is not a new area that it's happening now. So you see that the market was creating this type of moves. You see this was a consolidation, but the market kept going lower. Some sort of consolidation. The market kept going lower. Guess what? What's really happening now? Obviously, you might see similar moves and the market might keep doing what? The market might keep going lower. But since this thing is oversold, by the way, there is a chance that the market might break this area, our resistance area. The market can break that area. There's a possibility for that. So it means if the market reaches this area, we will be waiting. We will be ready, by the way. Then if it breaks, then we will say, okay, maybe the market is ready to do what? Maybe to push the upside. Simple as that. But now we are still on bearish. That's why we don't really buy. And it's not like maybe we did not see this area. We do see that, but since we have the rules that says we follow the trend is our friend, never go against the trend, because this thing might just turn anywhere and go to the lower side. Remember, we have a special. It's $100 up to month end. Then I think maybe those who wants to join, at least maybe they can get a chance to get in the team and they can have a chance to learn. I remember that actually this year I did not really make any special or any bigger special. I just made only weekend special, which was actually last week. So I'm ready for you guys. $100. You can join the team if you want to talk to me. There it's my WhatsApp, my Telegram. Talk to me, and yeah, just talk to me if you want to be in the team. That $200 is going to continue 1st of June. 1st of June. For now, it's only $100. Just copy the contact. Then if you want to join the team, especially for those who wants to learn, I'm talking about serious people who wants to change the way they see the market. You can learn something from me for only $100. That includes the VIP signals. You also get the signals at the same time. You have 3 days live sessions during the week where we learn. Every week you have 3 days. Actually, one session it's 1 hour, one session it's 1 hour. Actually, it's like 3 hours per week, so that we can you can get something from that. You can learn something from that. So if you are interested, you will just let me know. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to like, share the video with your friends. The channel is growing very nicely, by the way. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. There is my contact. Just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Thank you very much. Bye.